county hospitals.
Obilebo mama Machakos no chelo gi magina monego achich achiel kendo maka chich machielo ya peda kamane onywande nyamburko mayande okwala Machakos. Komanda mar obile county no Patrick Lobolia wacho ni jariego gin moko kuom ji mantiere kweth mar njore mag kuo mag nyamburko mosebedo ka sando oganda e county ma Machakos kod alwora mare. Lobolia wacho ni nyamburko go kido mar Isuzu D-Max mabedo ga City Cabanas Nairobi kama chijego no chopo mar wuondore ni nitiere mwandu ma gidwaro ting'o. Lobolia wacho ni en bang' kuo ma nyamburko no emane onegi kabende ineno ni gin mago mag jokuoge.
The owner tracked the vehicle, and the vehicle was spotted at a place called Mutitune. So from there, the communication between the police and the owner of the vehicle started, and they followed the vehicle. The vehicle went towards Mombone, and then lastly, it was heading towards Machakos town. Hapo polisi wakafuata hiyo gari kutoka nyuma, wengine pia wakaelezewa walikuwa mbele. So ikatrakiwa wakakuja kufika Mombone, wakakuja mafuta. The owner was not unable to put off the engine because he already knew that the police were following the vehicle. Then as they entered Machakos town, that's where the police intercepted the vehicle. They were stopped. The driver stopped and then took off towards a bushy area. Then he was followed by officers. The other person whom we arrested, he remained inside the car because he said that these are police, and he was arrested. The other one took off. Then on the way, at a bushy place, he withdrew a pistol like a toy pistol. He withdrew this one. Then he pointed at the officers, and that's why he met what he met.
Weche mag kuo gin mago ma